Brian? 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 How Brian there when me a call? Me have to go take Brian out here, because him nasty in the yard. And him not listen. Eh? Look from when me a call you, boy. Come good on a Hazel go find out our time a Rachel funeral. Because the long chatting with me there that day when me I go a prayer meeting tap a chat to Sister Mark. A benediction me go a church go catch. So me no get to hear our time at the funeral. And me have to left early because as you know me a fire upon one cylinder, So me have to left early. To how things are going, me even know if I one cylinder me dey pan or a half. Cause the ears now work good. The eye now work good. The foot now work good. The whole body mash up. All the whole heap of hard work a boxing plant for the whole heap of ears. Me no have to show feet. Not all. Me no have to show for the whole heap of hard work when me put on pan property a boxing plant. If I never pick them, me no know how I would manage. But that's not the point. The Bible says, young man, I call upon you because you are strong. So even God knows that when you get up in a age, you're not going to be able to make it as fast. So me, I can't take time. Scramble go down at the funeral. Sister Mark! Sister Mark! I come in Alfanso, I come in, I can't afford for late for this funeral, I can't afford for late. I am coming. Let me see me put lip powder on my face. I come in. Alright. You ready for this funeral? Come we take time walk along here, girl. Me say she now go to the funeral. Me tell you say from Rachel pass off. My wife me a take sick. Every day she dey a doctor. I think she should have feel better if you come at the funeral. But she said she not gonna make it. But me know. Me know why me no want come at the funeral. And the jealousy for all these years. Because me know say me Alfanso did have a thing for Rachel back in the day that because me I tell you, Rachel our fine woman, especially round at the place here. Coca-Cola buckle shape. She have it in all the right places. And that's why Gussie and all the other man them, all me too, did I try see if me could I get one little, when me a talk about. But she never have a thing for me at all. I don't know why. Me don't know if I the ugliness or through me being poverty. But I don't like Gussie did that money. Gussie never got money. But I come to when me here, Gussie did have it in all the right places. Because all you see, the woman them are gone. Can't straighten up. Because no matter how you hear them and say they want money. Me whole hand fan so can tell you have it. You have to have it in other places. Yes, yes. So come on, we go on a church because I know this funeral is going to be very long. Yes. Well, I brought this. Yeah, this little arrangement here, floral arrangement here. Yes, to put on Sister Rachel castic. Yes. Mm, yes, this is the best I could do. I never want to go overboard with it, because I don't want anybody call up my name. And say, me spend excess amount. Mm? Yes, but this is not expensive, not expensive at all. Mm? And remember, say, as since Rachel start go to church, she talk up to me, because back in the day, when she in her pumps and pride, she never used to talk to me at all, at all. Me no know if I true she know say me did have a thing for her and she never hear me that kind of way. But okay, all right, you hear? Oh, good evening, everyone. I'm Pansy, Rachel eldest daughter, and mm-hmm, and eldest child, and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I just came down from my mother's funeral. I haven't been to Jamaica in the last 20 years. But I have to come to my mother's funeral. Okay, so, there's a lot of mixed feelings this afternoon, but I'm just here to give the eulogy. Sister Rachel, my baby loving mother, born in 1948, from parents Ezekiel and Rachel. That is where my mother got her name from, her mother. I can't believe mommy gone. I can't believe it. Let me get myself together. I just can't believe it. Let me put it together because I have to get through this fast. Okay. Okay. All right. As you know, my mother, she died leaving six children. Me, Pansy, Brenda, Colin, Carl, Carlton, and Clive, our younger brother. My mother was a good lady. I tell you, very good lady, good lady. My mother would go to the ends of the world for us as kids. She would do anything to let us happy. We didn't have much, but I'm telling you, we never go to bed hungry. Okay. I know you come here just to get the eulogy so you can go back and talk all sort of things about my mother. But I'm just gonna cut it short tonight. Today I'm just gonna cut it short because I know who know Jamaican people. That's all you know go a funeral for is to hear the eulogy. And then you not take up on yourself and gone and criticize and chat people. But you not go hear it this evening. But Sister Mac, what a weird funeral. God have mercy. And when we see the daughter come out, hmm? Yes, the first daughter, the one who have a Ronald, come out. All those things that she talk about her mother. I tell you, say, I don't know why when funeral, them have to come out with one book full of lie. All those things that she was talking about her mother. And I don't want to know if say, I true me never get anything from her when she young, make me come and tell lie, you know. Let me tell you, them there's something I never true about the mother. Eh? You know, if God said the woman gay, Ronald, 5 picnic, where have he go see? I wanna go say that woman was a good woman. I must in her last days, when she done move to and fro, all about over the place, and I easy down because say nobody no want her again, And she now fire up no cylinder like myself here and take it easy and say she a go to church But she a never known class. She a never known class. If she did talk to me, then you would have known say she a class. Eh? I don't want to speak ill of the dead, you know. Yes. I don't want to do it because the dead is not here to defend herself. But I am speaking the truth, Sister Mac. Sister Mac, I'm speaking the truth. Me Alfanso, look for me. Me and now walk good, but I'm telling you. Should I turn out different? Yes, Rachel. I tell you, say, she was a fine woman, though. Me, I tell you, nice long hair and thing. Yes, man. Yes, me not go tell no lie. I don't want to talk too loud. But, Sister Mac, nobody care about my name, you know. Go tell Sister me. But I want to tell you, say, she didn't look good. Yes, she did look good, man. Me, I tell you. Yes. All right. Please to like, subscribe, and share. Yes, thank you. Really appreciate every subscriber.